Dear students, welcome to Sambat Bhaskaran Chemistry Academy. So this is my first tutorial in organic chemistry. In this video, we are going to learn what is organic chemistry, what are the key elements present in that organic molecules and different kinds of organic molecules. First, we will see what is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that studies carbon-containing compounds, especially the molecule containing carbon-hydrogen bond, that is CH bonds. So here we will see two kind of examples. One is natural substances, that is sugar and proteins and fats. Second one is synthetic ones, that is plastics and pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceutical means a drug molecule. Plastics means this polymer, polyethylene bags containing a molecule. This is the polymer. So this is the actually penicillin G drug molecule. And naturally occurring substances is sucrose. Sugar means sucrose and protein means this amino acid. This is the protein molecule and fats. So these are the two kind of organic molecules, synthetic one, naturally occurring substances. If you see this all molecule, there is the CH bond. This is the C in the polymer, this is the H. So here you can, if you take this benzene molecule, there are 5 hydrogens. So here you can see the valence is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means here hydrogen is there. So people will not show the hydrogen in the benzene ring basically. That's why it's not there. But here the one hydrogen is there. So if you see here protein molecule, this is the CH3 molecule. Actually here 3 H is there around C. So this is the sucrose molecule. Here this is the CH2. Actually here 2 H is there. Here also 2 H is there. So directly attached with that carbon. So these are the naturally occurring substance and synthetic ones. So now we will see the key element present in the organic molecules. So mainly the hydrogen will present, second one is oxygen, third one is nitrogen, fourth one is sulfur and phosphorus. Halogens. Halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine molecule. So this also one drug molecule. So if you see this drug molecule, there are halogens, that is fluorine molecule is there, nitrogen is there, oxygen is there. Directly that C, this is the C, there are 2 H is there, CH is there. There is no phosphorus. So this is the key element present in the organic molecule. These are the important key elements. So now we will see different kind of organic molecules. First one is hydrocarbons. So compound made of only carbon and hydrogens. So there is no another atom like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and halogens. First one is alkanes. Single bond only. Example is methane molecule. The first one is the methane molecule. This is the carbon. This is the 4 hydrogen attached to the carbon molecule. So this is the methane molecule. This is alkanes. There is no double bond or triple bond, anything. It's a small single molecule. And alkenes, at least one double bond. That means ethylene. So you can see this is the ethylene molecule. This is the C. This is the second C. There are in between these two C, there are double bonds. That means this is ethane molecule. So there are carbon attached with 2 hydrogen. Here also 2 hydrogen. This actually C2H4. This is the molecular formula. And the third one is alkynes. So if you see this is the carbon, the second carbon, the 2 carbon connected with 3 bonds. These are triple bonds, 1 hydrogen with each carbon. So this molecule is ethane. So the molecule name is acetylene. So this is the alkyne molecules. Examples for alkynes. Fourth one is aromatic hydrocarbon, contain benzene ring. Example is the benzene C6H6. So this molecular formula C2H2. So this is C6H6. So already I told you there are hydrogen attached to the carbon. So this is the 6 carbon present in that molecule and 6 hydrogen present in the molecule. So this is the cyclic one. Aromatic hydrocarbons. They will say this is the aromatic hydrocarbon. So these are the normal hydrocarbons. Second one is alcohol. So this kind of molecule contain that OH group. So this also one kind of organic molecule. You can see this is actually CH3, this CH2, this is oxygen molecule connected with hydrogen. So this is actually ethanol molecule. Example is ethanol. This is the alcohols. Third one is aldehyde and ketones. Contain a carbonyl group, CO group, C double bond O group actually. So there are two types is there. One is aldehyde, the CO at the end, that is formaldehyde. So this is the formaldehyde example. You can see the CO connected with two bonds. So this is the CO and carbon connected with 2H, the CH2O. This is actually formaldehyde. And second one is ketone, the CO group in the middle. Example is acetone. So actually acetone molecule things CH3, CO, CH3. This is actually acetone molecule. Here that this is the functional group. Actually this carbon connected with double bond connected with one oxygen. So this is the acetone molecule for example for ketone. This is the formaldehyde example for aldehyde. So there are different examples also is there for examples for aldehyde. So this is the simple aldehyde. Later video I will tell you the different kind of aldehydes. Fourth one is carboxylic acids. They contain a carboxyl group. Carboxyl group means COOH group. So this you can see this is the carboxyl group. So this is actually CH3COOH. This is the carboxylic acid. This is actually acetic acid, general name. And esters formed from acid and alcohol with the group COO. So this is the ester group. Example is ethyl acetate. So you can see here CH3 COO CH2 CH3. So this is the ethyl acetate molecules. So this is actually ester molecule. And the sixth one is ethers. Contain a oxygen atom between the two carbon atoms. That means there are one carbon here center. In center there is oxygen and one more carbon present in the next side. So this is the examples for ether molecules. This is diethyl ether. Diethyl means this is the CH2 CH3. This one ethyl, this ethyl group connected with this O bond. So that means diethyl ether. Examples for hydrocarbons. Seventh one is amines. Contain nitrogen atom bonded to the carbon or hydrogen. Example is methyl. This is the molecular formula is CH3NH2. This is a CH3 molecule. This is a NH2 molecule. So this carbon connected to the nitrogen atom. This is blue one is nitrogen. So this is the examples for amines. These are the important carbon examples for hydrocarbons. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please comment and like and share to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.